How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Sinnafa, watote soti awo woli. Anedda. Banja abasuubira nti nkole ki? Nkube back summer naye mwenji sebo. Yes sebo. Sijja va Kampala nganye.
Life eri etya?
Esa bulungi sebo.
Ennyimba tuziwulire empya weeziri.
Oyo weeziri, zo weeziri.
Nga tetunagenda wala nga twanakubuuza nyina ebibuuzo byange kimu bibiri. Ekifaananyi waliwo ekyasatulatinze nga muli abantu basatu.
Kafaananyi nga kavukava.
Oli muggwe, Sindi ne naawe.
Sinabakalaba. Kafaananyi kyako. Does somebody have a screenshot in Kalabeko? Kalaba. Because I need to understand church again and math, so bulungi nnyo.
So tell us about the project mwababiri ze mugize.
Ababiri?
Abasatu. The original Blue Theory.
What I'm going to say is in case Blue Theory is going to get together, it's something, hey, this one, they came to visit me namwe, Mubadechi. Yes. So in case it's something that's going to happen, Chijakuba is something that I'm open to. It's an idea I'm open to. Sit into TV. Okay. Because we've grown in different ways musically, so it's not a bad thing.
Okay, we heard you have an EP coming up. That's of 5 songs. That's no, there are 3 of you. That's
yes. You need to stop hearing things.
But that's the truth.
No, I'm the one to give you the truth. You understand? My name is Chandiru, so I'm the one to give you the truth. So what I'm saying is stop hearing things. You keep plugging them everywhere, here, there. Wait until you hear something.
Producers batano kuli Bomba, Nesimu, Daddy Andre, ne Zolitams.
For me personally, because I'm working on an album, yes, I'm working with some of those producers. Yes. I'm working with them.
How do you feel okubanti no mugenda kudamu okwegatta abasatu?
Wabula okyesibyeko nga bwe nakugambye bwe kibanga kigenda kubaawo, it is something which I'm open to. And just in case it happens, kwetaaga kushatinga down bana balowooza nti bayimba oba balina kye bakola. Twagala just kubajjukiza. If it happens, it would be nice to remind people that there was real music before. See bubble gum.
Omwana akabira mu mmotoka yangu omukime.
Mom. So,
short man na
ye. Oyo gaya ntawanya okufa obufi. Yes.
So Jack, in case nga otugambe just in case. Ino kigenda kutegeeza ki eri mmwe bafaani bammwe then the music industry.
If that happens, abali babadde ne Blue Theory right from the start. Like it's tweyanziza number 1 nti bakyaliwo naffe if that's going to happen. But putting that aside, bwekibanga it's something that's bwekibanga kigenda kubaawo. Nze nganze Lillian ne Cindy, because for twatula and we sorted ourselves out. Twali tulina ebizibu and we decided, let's talk. Kyekyabawo. Lwaki wakola kino, and we realized just it was miscommunication. So totally fine, the 3 of us are very fine. Yes.
You've sorted your grievances mwalina wakati.
Yes.
So that means you're coming back together.
It's not coming back together. What I'm saying is we had to sit and talk about what happened. Because what we let go of was something very big, something special. Bonde Twaituina musically was something good. So we sat down, we talked about it, like the issues we had, and we sorted it out. So if we decide to sit in Tikati Tugenda Kola, it's something that we're all open to.
Wemba mwatula, who was the mediator? Are we going back to the regime of Steve Jean or mwafunyeyo mediator?
Tulibakazi bakulu, the 3 of us are grown. Sorry, I speak French sometimes. We're grown-ass women, yeah? So we don't have to have a mediator. You see, when you hate somebody, no, with a burden, so it got to a point when there was no reason for me to continue hating or being mad at somebody for something. You understand? So we just sat down and Gamba. Cindy, I said, Cindy, you did ABCD. Lillian, you did ABCD. No, it wasn't like this. You got it wrong. So we got to realize there were people in between us who are delivering just wrong message.
Ani yali obuzibu obungi because we had the most problem yali wakati wa Lillian ne Cindy.
For the starters, there was It was just a general problem. This is 3 girls. Then we are 3 women, honestly speaking. You can't expect things to flow smoothly. So I cannot say that the problem was here, it was there. So but the only thing I can say is we all had things betwali tutereka. Tukola naenga were keeping things. So this is a chance that we had to sit down. Nenga my blood. Wakola ABCD wayogera chiralaka banedda. Ani akugamba. Yoshtegera nenga ono yangamba. Na nedda naye ono yangamba chindo. So it was something like that. You just sort your issues out and we chose to move on.
Okay, twawulira nti obuzibu bwasinga okubaawo nti Cindy yafuna omuzungu n'amutwala ku vacation. Mwene muwulira ennaku okuba nti no mwali musigadde.
Nedda. Uliza, we would work for whatever time we are given, and then bali batuwa time off. Like we have leave for 1 month. So at that time, yeah, sala ogenda nani, ogenda no muzungu, which is not a problem to us. So there's nothing like nti yafuna omuzungu. Nedda, ekikulu muwuliza, amatuga muga plugginga every kizibu kye mulina. Munonya gossip you plug anywhere. Buli socket muteka mu kizibu ekiriwo. Yes. So it's not that. Like everybody who had that, you do okola choyagala muwe your time joina mu leave. So Cindy, if she chose to go with her man, that was up to her. Yes.
So in case you get back together, ebizibu bye mwafuna tusubire nti no mugenda kuba mwabigonjodde.
Agwini tuli baka
so jimanyi never kwanizi they judge.
You see, that's the problem. You don't judge. You take time to sit down. You can get Cindy, you can get Lillian. Or to take it. The one thing you need to know is we are not those kinds of celebs. You can't reach us. That's the thing you need to know. So you don't have to wake up in the morning and judge us. We had our problems in the group, but we sorted it out. So don't go listening. Temumalaga teka gundi plugs zamwe mu socket uli socket je mukola ki je mulaba. You have people you can ask. Kachilero munfunye mbagambye if anything happens, if Blue 3 is to get back together, it is something that we are all open to because we put our differences aside. Twabivaako ebyo.
In case kibaddewo eno gundi these 5 songs is about walira how long okubanga mu deliveries eriba fans ba
nyimba 5 kibanange
just in case
gundi plug yo ogirese mweyo soke chobo wabachi just in case what
it happens kina abatwalira how long these songs okujja eriba fani ba.
Listen, for example, with experience jetuli now, the 3 of us nga we tuli for example togenda tuteka mu studio noloza tugenda kusula mu studio ku lwimbo lumu. That's how it is. We are grown in the mind and we also grown in talent. So
according to the picture, omanyi tutunulire bifananyi ne byogera. Omwa akutte pen awandika, you discussing ensonga ezali ziri.
No.
What else? Chemwa discussing apart from that.
Sisobola kuwulira ne bwozinira ku mpiso. Sisobola ge mazima. Whatever it is, kati ekyo kiba chama chaffe. Us who are us sorting out our path, our differences that we had. So I cannot tell you what we discussed as girls, sisters, should I say. Siso akubulira. Naye bw'onsaasula nsobola okugamba.
Munaasobola nga mukuze mu myaka.
Awo tusubirayo ka concert.
Listen, that's the thing. That's the one thing that I would like Ugandans to know. Temubeera mwe your picture gye mwasooka okukola ki? You understand? Tukuze tomanyi na talent je tulina wano okitegera kati nze nali mu ddwaliro for 7 years nkuze you understand nakivaamu nengejjageja nenkola ki naye kati eddoboozi ovuko wagiwulidde nti ku stage okitegera sisaaga Lillian womuteeka ku band yawo n'omugamba kubamu voko abatabusi Cindy akuba live okitegera so don't think about chewalaba nga tuli bato twatandika at that young age. Okay, we are just 19 twatandika at 18 tofayo. So what I'm trying to say is don't think about us in that picture. We've grown, we've matured vocally, talent-wise, tetuli ku level where we have to please. Njibera ku stage okuname okole ABCD to make people happy. No, we're past that. The moment you know Jackie Chandiru, yakuba vocal wano, that's it. Lillian akuba vocal, vitamin, that's it. Cindy akuba bomb party, that's it. Take us as we are.
So
after this reunion, tubala muka reunion mubalayo ka concert.
Nene tago ku switching off your socket yo. No, but if it happens, you never know what the future holds, you understand? Like if I say, like, for example, we're going to work together and there's a reunion and maybe I die tomorrow, God forbid, or together. What I'm saying is whatever it is the future brings, we are open to it.
Wena statement gyokoze mbuno temukyalina kyakakasa byagenda ku stage kweyambula kukakasa abantu.
Wabula, yes, sebo.
Like olinga agamba nti eno regime byakweyambula.
Sigambye, okay, I'm not saying that. What I'm trying to say, I put it in terms of vocal ability and performance ability. I don't think we're at that level where we have to do so much to prove ourselves. Vocal yo wedi, enyimba weziri. Even if never banga nyimba zange, oba nyimba is a blues 3, zo weziri. Oh, why? You know, people look for different ways of getting attention. That's all I can say, yeah? But I believe if you have the talent, you don't have to stretch too much. Stage, never yimbo yimba ngatemana chebakoze. Mamba them maxi from head to toe. You understand? So I don't think Lillian or Jackie or Cindy are at that level where we have to do so much to prove, because the talent is there. If it's God-given, it's God-given. There's a reason as to why Mukama had to take a position. I think I'm going to say day. Everybody tries. They keep working, then the talent gets better.
What is your message to the female artists?
Ha. Me, as I said, sorry, I'm sweating like a problem. I don't believe you have to go to the extremes to show your talent. Yeah, I don't believe you have to go to the extremes to show your talent. Number one, mukama wanga ine ekitone kyakuwadde. Yeah? Bask in it, chitereke. Whatever it is that you do, I don't step on stage and say, I pray. Actually, now the neighbors in a motoka. You understand? You're going on stage and I was like, okay, wake up. I was like, God, mnyamba. You know, I went on stage, what happened, but I managed it. So it's not just about if a person was naked there, okay, I won't say the word, but that's what I'm trying to say. So you don't have to do so much or go to the extremes to show your talents. What enough vocal? Kuba vocal yo. Like that's just it. If you have the ani akubye munne. Anti mbulira. Nzanibera ko BBC kati mbulira what happens here. So what happens? Wizo. Kati the question is what?
The question is
I don't want you to classify it as bayimbi because I believe there are other men abatali bayimbi abakola the same thing. So buli omu abera n'ensonga ye wali if he did it ayina ensonga ye that he thought was right at that time. N'abasajja abalala bakikola, they have their reasons as to why they do what they do. So don't judge them. The only thing is beba ino kubeera nechi n'amagezi ogamba this is right, this is wrong. Oba nkome wano. That's it. Period.
My last one.
Yes.
Oyinayo kubaana.
Yagala kunswaza ku live TV nedda ssebo.
Toyinayo baana.
Sirina. I know. It's number one. I spent 7 years in hospital, Chechisoka, and navayonga nzenga ngomuntu. I'm scared to try certain things.
Like what?
Yeah, love, yes.
Okay.
I'm taking my time until I meet the person and I don't regret. I am a person right now, after what happened to me, whatever decision I make, I don't want to regret it.
But are you seeing someone?
No.
Yeah?
I'm single, but I'm not searching.
Contented? You're contented?
I would love to have somebody who I talk to every day, but I would love to so much. No. What is a myaka jigenda actually fine, but there's people who give birth at 55. There's people who give birth at 60 and what. I'm not rushing into that. No, Mbaga is, we take time to get to know each other, to stand it out.
Yes.
Well, Chidi very no. See, when Angela Kasatumba speaks, I understand where she's coming from. She's a person. Yeah, she has everything she needs. Kati omuntu gwe yeetaaga is the one person gwasobola okwogera naye kino kimunyiza ku business si mu music n'ayogera no. That's it.
We wish you the best.
Thank you.